period that you talk about in the future of, obviously 7 years of depression, what assets are going to be
7 years of rolling recessions,
rolling recession? Sorry,
if
7 years.
not depression.
Yeah, I don't want to go too far on it. What assets do you think are going to perform, or is it just going to be sort of similar to what you're saying? It's the traders market where you have to get out before we experience the downturn.
Yeah, well, obviously, from middle of this year to the middle of 2025 or around that, paper assets will perform very well. But if you're preparing for the 7 years, you don't want paper assets, you want real assets. And the real assets can be gold, silver, food. We're going to go through food shortages for climate reasons. So really, what do you need every day? Food. What do you need when currencies are all over the place? You need gold. So it's hard assets, not paper assets.